This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry McGinn. Updates galore. This open-concept home/split bedroom plan is truly like living in paradise. This is the perfect floor plan for entertaining the dining room and great room open to the kitchen. The master bedroom had French doors and is her closets. The master bath features a Roman tub, separate shower and double vanity. This home features intact windows and sliders, installed 2019, recently painted interior, new plank-style tile flooring, updated ceiling fans, newer appliances, central vac, interior laundry west/stack front load washer and dryer and more. Backing up to lush green space means privacy for hours of enjoyment on the screen lanai and patio. Minutes to the beautiful beaches of Hobe Sound, restaurants, shopping and only 5 miles to I-95, perfect for commuters. Easy to show. For more information, review the details below.